Sarah and I bought a house that was flipped as a first foray into real estate together.
I loved it. I loved the character of this house and the space, the neighborhood that we're in.
We've lived here for a year and a half now, and this house hasn't lived up to what I thought it'd be. We had plumbing issues. We had to replace the insulation in the attic. Some flips are good, some flips are bad. I'd classify this flip as mediocre.
Ryan has his blinders on, and he only sees the problems with this house.
I saw this house as an investment where we could live here for a while, let the equity grow in the house, and then move on.
But my plan has always been to stay here forever. I thought that we were gonna have kids and never have to leave.
I see our future together, but I just don't see it at this house. I think it's time to cut the losses and move on. A lot of the house is just wasted space, and unfortunately, that wasted space is in the center of the home. We have 2 areas in the middle of our house that nobody uses except to walk through.
Well, we don't need that space right now, but one day when we have kids, we will.
Can we talk about the master bathroom? Our master bathroom and closet is comical because the master closet space is really big and the master bathroom is just tiny. Sarah can get ready in there, but I have to use a separate bathroom to get ready. If we have guests stay the night, then I'm fighting for that space with them. What I have to do in the morning to get ready is ridiculous.
I know that that's not ideal, but we can fix that.
Wow,
It's pretty big.
but it's all kind of pulled together.
It's almost as if...
It's staged. Oh, and look at this.
Oh.
Nice big mudroom.
Wow.
French doors into the dining area.
Yeah, but why would you ever use them?
Why wouldn't you? That is the biggest air conditioning unit that I've ever seen.
It looks like a part out of an airplane. Maybe it's for the whole neighborhood.
I think so. This is odd, actually.
It's very odd. It just feels awkward to me. Who would hang out here?
Weird. Whoa!
You all right?
Yeah, very nice. Nice big windows, nothing else to say.
I
Lucky
have no
them.
issue with this
Oh,
office.
Okay.
Let's keep going. What's my must-have list to get you out of here?
We need an open concept kitchen and living space, 3 bedrooms, including a private guest space, 3 bathrooms, including the master bath, a home office, a large fenced-in backyard for the dogs, and it needs to be close to downtown.
All right, I've done an evaluation on your house. Current value is $355,000.
That sounds right. That's what we paid for it.
What's the budget for the new house?
$450,000.
That's a decent budget.
It is a decent budget, and you're going to need every penny of it.
Good luck.
So, you obviously have my list, and what's that?
We need you to open up and reconfigure the main floor, fix the hardwood flooring, create a downstairs guest space, relocate the laundry room upstairs, expand the master bathroom, update the man cave to include a wet bar, renovate the mudroom, and relocate the giant HVAC unit in the backyard.
You're sure that's it? Nothing else?
We can add some stuff if you want.
No, that's fine. Okay, how much money do I have to spend?
Our budget is $75,000.
Come on. You just gave me the entire house to do.
That's a big budget. That's a lot of money.
$75,000, even though it's a lot of money, is not enough to give you everything on that list. But trust me that when I'm done, this house will function for you both, and you're gonna love it.
According to Ryan, convincing him to stay in his faulty flip will take changes to nearly every room in the house. A task Hilary's budget simply isn't up for. With their scope of work determined, Hilary's team wastes no time tearing into the oddly proportioned master bathroom and closet. The demo continues down the hall with the destruction of Sarah's beloved shoe closet and down the stairs in the former shared guest bathroom laundry space. And as the frustrations of the past shatter under the boys' hammers, 20 minutes away, David is hoping his own expertise can do the same to Sarah's misgivings about moving.
It was quite a hike out here.
And look what you can get.
Yeah,
True.
it's nice. I mean, it looks big.
Let's go look at the house.
While it may be outside their neighborhood, this 3,600 square foot move-in ready home features 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, including a master bath. Furthering the family-sized function are an open concept kitchen and family room combination, a laundry space, a mudroom, and a bonus room, all on a spacious lot with a large yard.
Come on in. We move into really what is the hub of almost any home. You've got your family room, kitchen combination.
Yeah, this
This
is
is
nice.
nice.
Look how high the ceilings are.
Not bad.
Functionality of this house works great.
It would be very hard for you to duplicate what you have right here in your house.
You never know. Hilary might work some magic.
How's she gonna manage giving you 20-foot ceilings?
I'm on your side, but we've got to get closer to downtown.
Which means this is no longer an option.
Thanks. We're gonna
Thanks.
go catch our flight back downtown.
Nice.
Hey.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are
So, the decision we have to make today is where your money's going to get spent because it's not going to give you every single thing you want.
I think we should focus on the main floor. Open up the kitchen, making it more functional for our future family.
The downstairs is already cosmetically really good. Our bathroom upstairs isn't functional. If we put more money into the upstairs, it's gonna increase the resale value of the house. So I say, do the bathroom upstairs, move the laundry room up there, we sell it, and we move on.
There is logic to what you say, but I think that, you know, we're dealing with a house that we hope is going to be a home that you stay in, and therefore there's more to it than that.
I don't think he realizes how great of a job you're gonna do and that our future is in this house.
For sure, if we don't do the master bathroom, there's no way I'm staying in this house.
So it sounds like we need to focus upstairs.
You're good with that?
Let's do it.
The work in the house continues as new plumbing and electrical are installed both upstairs and down. At 2,500 square feet, this move-in ready home features 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, including a master bath. Upping the family-ready function are an open concept kitchen and family room combination, an office, a second-floor laundry room, a third-floor bonus room, and a large yard for their beloved dogs, all just 5 minutes from their current home.
This
Okay.
looks good, David.
Very open. It looks good.
It's a lot more our style than the other houses we've seen.
That's fantastic. So we move into the main area of the house. You've got your family room that flows right into your eat-in kitchen.
Yeah, this is awesome.
Might not be my first choice of backsplash,
Right.
but everything else I really like.
This is what makes or breaks
Oh,
your
yeah.
master bedroom.
This is as big as the bedroom, and I like it being that big.
I like the vanity. Some of this tile isn't my favorite.
But you have to admit that this is a much better setup than you currently have.
It is. It's definitely better than what we currently have.
What do you think this house is listed at?
450,000.
430.
This house is listed at $414,000.
Wow. So if we do want to change a couple things,
You've got the money to do it. Is this not the one?
I don't want to say that yet. I would like to see some more options.
we only looked at one house when we bought our other house. So
Right.
put this on the list and find us some other ones, and that way we have options rather than jumping into the first one we like.
Okay.
A confident David knows the more options he provides this couple, the closer he is to victory.
Looks charming.
Yeah,
Now, I know you love these.
that's big.
Ready to move?
Not yet. It was nice.
Come on, Sarah, that was more than nice.
Never deterred, Hilary's team presses on, getting fixtures for both bathrooms installed, and the space is tiled. And as the new master bedroom closet gets fully outfitted for function, down the hall, Hilary is determined to make the newly installed second-floor laundry fetching enough to reel in Ryan.
All right, good, yeah. Let's borrow those. I want to be able to see the towels peeking up above the basket. Try rolling. Yes, do that. All right, done.
As her whole team enters the home stretch, there's no denying Hilary's newly found confidence. But she's not the only one looking up, because David too feels his next showing is yet another in an ever-growing list of options that could satisfy this family for years to come.
We still can't walk or bike downtown, but it's not a bad neighborhood.
You said you wanted some options?
Yeah.
And I think this is a fantastic option.
Okay.
While it may be 2 neighborhoods away from their current home, at 2,600 square feet, this house is more than family ready and features 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, including a master bath. Ensuring everyday function are an open concept kitchen and family room combination, an office, a dedicated laundry space, and a large yard with a screened-in porch.
Wow.
Entrance is cool.
You walk in, and right away you get a sense of the character that it has. Here you have a fantastic dining room.
Love the molding. So
Very.
far, so good.
You like it?
I do, so far.
Then you move over to the main area of the house. Imagine this space with a family going on.
I
Yeah.
love the ceiling.
Definitely.
And look at this kitchen.
I don't love the wood cabinets.
But it's open, which we're not getting at our house.
Exactly. Who doesn't love a screened-in porch?
Wow.
Look at the size of the lot that you've got here.
Yeah.
You've got enough area for kids to run around also. Does it make it feel like it's worth a little bit of a drive?
Maybe.
What do you think this house is listed at?
475.
Say 500.
This house is listed at $500,000, which is above the top end of your budget. But if you consider what Hilary is not doing and the time and money you're going to have to spend to get it the way you want, this makes sense.
Gives us a lot to think about.
That's what I'm here for.
Narrowing the many options David presented down to the attractive house on the hill, the couple has ensured Hilary has a fight on her hands. Something she is more than prepared for when Ryan and Sarah arrive to tour their house, now that the extensive renovations are finally complete.
All right, you ready to go?
Yes.
Let's do it.
Wow.
Floors look good.
Yeah.
The floors have been redone, and all that meant was buffing, staining, and putting on a new finish.
So far, so good.
Good, let's move on.
Wow.
This is now your guest
Cool.
bedroom.
It looks so good.
I would like to stay
I
here.
could see family and friends in here, no
Yeah,
problem.
this
Yeah?
is perfect.
It's your guest bathroom.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
This is your new powder room and full bath.
This is huge.
Yeah, it looks great.
The door has gone, and now we have a window.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
all about that.
So that still gives you the nice natural light.
I could have never imagined this.
It really is a nice space now.
Way beyond my expectations.
Your old shoe closet.
Oh my gosh.
A full-on second floor laundry.
That is great.
Yeah.
Right next to the bedrooms.
And the great thing about this is that when the doors are closed, it disappears.
That's awesome.
You said you need an office.
Wow.
Yeah.
You can each have your laptops going.
Yeah, there's plenty of room in here. Good job, Hilary.
It's great.
Oh my gosh.
Sarah,
I love this.
That's awesome. We've always wanted hardwoods in the bedroom.
the big question is, where did Sarah's shoes go?
Good question.
There you go.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
This looks bigger than our closet did before.
Yeah.
There's a lot of space in here for the two of you.
Yes.
I like it.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I love this.
This is awesome.
This is a very timeless, simple design.
I agree.
I knew you were gonna do a good job, but you definitely went above and beyond.
Yeah, this is great. I love it.
That is the current value of your home with the renovation that has been done.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
The pre-renovation value of their home was $355,000. With a renovation budget of $75,000, the new estimated value of their home is $440,000. That increases the value of their house by $85,000.
You guys have a decision to make, so you talk about it, figure out which house you think makes more sense for you, and let us know.
Thanks,
Thank
guys.
you.
While Hilary certainly improved the day-to-day function of the bedrooms and bathrooms, budgetary constraints meant she was simply unable to open up and reconfigure the main floor, update the man cave, renovate the mudroom, or relocate the massive HVAC unit in the backyard.
Okay, so, decision made,
Yep.
Yeah.
And are you going to love it?
or are you going to list it?
We've decided to. Love it.
Come on! The house that delivered it all! And then some.
This place is home for us, and it really meets all of our needs now.
This is our future.
It means a lot to me that you've decided to stay.
Yeah, well, our decision's done, but Sarah, you have one more decision to make too, because you mean the world to me, and it doesn't matter if we're in this house or anywhere else. I love you, and I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Will you marry me?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my.
Yes.
Well, isn't that wonderful?
Wow.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thanks for everything.